In this box is Moonlight Archives number 3 from Jack McCain himself, framed and everything. The other box sitting back there with number 2. Not in it anymore, but
do you want me to hold them?
Here we are.
Are you gonna, okay.
I'm okay. No, I don't want to do it anymore. I want to do this side now.
Sure, it's a sharp enough knife.
Yeah, I just don't want to.
You're not gonna do anything because look how much that thing has. All that
that
bubble
thing.
around it. And then slice that. Oh,
Let's just rip it. The moment of truth, baby. The moment of truth. There it is.
pull that over.
In its framed glory. Open this out. Packaged beautifully, as it should be. Box going over there.
Your other one.
Knife, please. Thank you, mother.
Other
This
way.
way.
Yeah. Nah.
Alright, we're just gonna cut. Alright, now we're gonna see if it comes out.
I think it opens on the other side, maybe. No. No. Yeah, it does. It opens on the other side.
Aha! To the other side. Certificate of authenticity, let's go!
Beautiful it is.
It looks beautiful. This is the bag.
They packaged it so perfectly.
Packaged wonderfully.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
There it is.
Look at, even through the bubble wrap, you can see how exquisite it is.
Time to open it for realsies.
So excited for you. Here you go.
There's like
Here,
a
use
seam
your
here.
knife.
No, it's okay. I don't want to use my knife anymore.
Look,
There's a thing right here. Look, do you see the lines? There's dotted lines.
Are there?
Yes, that's why I'm ripping it right here.
No, how can you tell they were dotted?
Because do you see there's little dots? So open it right here.
Oh, I did not know that. Look at his beautiful face. Look at him. Oh, bless his heart.
They're just freaking out.
So sad. I mean, it's beautiful, but gosh. Don't you wish you had? I wish you guys grew up together. I mean, not literally, but I'm talking about in this, you know, like you watch
Let's
them
turn
grow
it
old, the way we
on.
get to watch you two grow old.
Turn that to puppy. There it is. Dusty as can be, but beautiful.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so look on the
And
back
now,
and see if
now we're gonna look at that suit. Wait, what's this? Thanks for framing with us.
it's just the frame thing.
Uh-oh, I'm thinking I only got the certificate of authenticity for this one,
Right there.
but just for this one. Oh, dang, and this is only number 13. Holy crap. Wow.
Very generous man.
See, this is how it should look.
Gosh, and he gave it down. I gave you the hug.
His signature. Print number 13.
Sweet.
Beautiful.
Isn't that amazing? Level frames.
Alright, well, this is from Level Frames, the same people who gave me my frame, and you can kind of feel it. Kind of feels like my replacement COA. Okay, I'm recording my COA film. My replacement. Thank you. I opened it but didn't open it. Alright, let's check it out.
Oh, no, I had a
Oh, wrapped in everything. Plastic. Let's see if it's number 28. It's a little crease. Number 35.
35.
Oh.
Bummer.
From 28 to 35. I'll take it.
What's the piece of pie
take it.
for? You offered it to me. And
I like 35.
He said, "Do you want it?" And I said, "Okay." Yeah. He said, "Well, do you want it?" I said, "Yeah." And he goes,